Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix error 182 of the AMD driver. A software installer detected AMD graphic hardware in your system configurations that is not supported. Usually this happens because of your old GPU or your used GPU is not supported with the Adrenaline with the latest driver of the AMD. So there's a special case. If you have old GPU or OEM system or embedded AMD Radeon graphic, you cannot use Adrenaline. For example, the embedded AMD Radeon graphic, you can install the driver that on embedded categories. So you can go to support, download drivers, click on graphic, then select the Radeon embedded here and choose your graphic card. For example, HD 5770 embedded and submit. So this is you can download based on operating system. And then the second is legacy and the Radeon graphics. If your legacy or if your GPU is listed here, you have to check all the lists. And also this is the APU. You can visit amd.com. Here you have to use or select graphics and select legacy graphics. Here choose your graphic card series. For example, Radeon X series, submit, and here we go. You can download based on operating system. This is the classic one. You have to download the catalyst. And last, you can download from the OEM system. Maybe you can visit a manufacturer or builder to download the driver from there. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.